I don't know.
And they're not expected to especially tell.
You can go in front. If you're sitting, stay in front.
You should have never.
You probably don't want to sit in the back here.
They can't tell us like, attention, are you ready to hit? And we're like, I've been.
Let's go, Bloodline! Pump it! Pump the blood! Yes, sir! Outside!
Yeah, right now, they just started. Your man is right here. It's your wife. I mean...
Hi, Mickey.
How's work? Who, me?
He said, hey.
Oh.
We've been here since like 7:30.
Come on, baby.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm gonna turn back to her.
Slowly!
Hi. Yes.
Hi, old man. The brown truck?
Next one. They're by our church right now. Wow, my makeup is warm. Yeah, I told when he comes to take the kids to come in.
I bought it for everybody. It's like shrimp chips.
Yeah, they're with us. They're by our tent right now. Do you want to go walk around? So that's because the kids wanted to play and play.
Yeah. They played 2 teams so far. This is their third team. And then each team they play is
Yes, go!
They played 4 games in total and they won 3-1. And this is their third team. This is their third team and they play 2 times. They got Kong to play with them.
Whoa, hi there.
What? She has to run around. She's off today? What? She's off too? I told her to come, it would be easier for me. Like, how yeah. Huh? A little bit. Not, I haven't got this. Yeah.
After this game.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yo. It's okay. You're okay. Roller coaster ride. Yeah. I'm not that much. Sir, outside.
Yeah. Come on.
Jaden's like, where'd the ball go?
I know.
Good spot!
Yes,
Dad, 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 Dad.
Jerry, why did you get it?
Put on your shirt thing to make your roots on. It's okay. Good spot.
Good help. Close, Jay.
Auntie Serena, do you have pasta?
Right on my spot? Yeah. You don't got service right now? What kind of phone you got? Got no internet? I don't know if I have one. One of you go.
Bro, yo, that one was gone.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, bro, no way.
What do you want?
That's what she said. Yes, sir, baby.
Y'all, your uncles?
Come on, guys.
It is Sampani Wi-Fi.
Yes! Yeah!
Password 559-722-4587.
Thank you.
Kevin was playing? I thought we were just standing here the whole time.
What is he doing?
He wants to go around.
How dare you feel strong?
Serve. Outside. Get up, good touch. That's in. We're on Hero!
Yeah, Hero!
I don't know. Good serve. In. Okay, Jay, good hit.
Jay?
Huh?
Shake it off, Hero.
He got one earlier.
LNS sponsored their shirts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
$800.
Get up, get up.
We got black.
$800?
Jeff got,
That was a bad set too.
Jeff got
Did Serena make it?
Bowling court, bowling court.
white girl body.
Oh, Serena, why didn't you make it for them?
What?
The
Oh,
shirt.
they didn't tell me.
Jeff didn't want to count her this.
Okay, Hero.
They should have made extra for their fans to wear too.
Huh?
They should have made extra for their fans to wear too.
I said we should. I should have made us shirts.
Yeah.
Family shirts.
They have the gold and they have black. Tomorrow they might wear gold.
Serve. Outside.
Yeah. I don't know.
Good call, Jay. Easy.
Come on, yeah, come on.
Alright, you ready to go, bud?
Oh, the other shirt looks like the one that there.
Oh. Pick it up, pick it up.
Yeah, Papa,
It's in. Bowling court, bowling court, bowling court. Bowling court. Bowling court before he dies. Replay. That's in. Coming back. Free. Somebody. Did they lose? Yeah, they lost. They lost?
We're gonna go walk around and probably go.
Okay.
Yeah.